Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. So let's try to look at statistics because most of the followers are requested for me to do statistics. Now let's try to look at this problem. This is past question Waec 2016. It reads: the table shows the distribution of marks in a mathematics test. This is the table. We are giving marks from 3 to 9, and this is the frequency that we are giving. Then, if the mean distribution is 6, calculate woman 1 the value of x, woman 2 the standard deviation of this distribution. Then the first step, we want to find the standard deviation and the value of x from this. The first criteria that you have to have here is you must have your calculator. This is the calculator that you must have. The reason why you should have this calculator simply because you have to calculate certain numbers wherein you don't have to have any error in your calculation. So therefore, you must have this one. Okay? Then we start. We want to find the value of x, like I said. Then we have, let's go to our table like this. We have, this is math, we are giving math. We can still call them as x. I'll show you the reason why we should call them as x also. And this is the frequency that we are giving. You know the marks we are having from 3 to 4, from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We say this is 3. We write them the way we see them. 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the mark that we are giving. Then we can still call this last column for this one to be our total column. Then the next step, we are giving frequency also as 1, 4, 3, 5, 2. This is x and this is 2 also. Then we want to find the value of x. This is x, the next column as we expect. This is fx. Then, if you want to complete this column, we know the only difference between this is just like you have to multiply this and this to have f of x. Now, if you are multiplying, we say 3 times 5 is 3, 1 times 4 gives you 16, 5 times 3 this is 15, 6 times 5 gives you 30, 7 times 2 this is 14, 8 times x this is 8x. 9 times 2 giving you 18. Why are you not adding this one? Because this is a letter and this is a number. Then, if you are adding this one, we have sigma fx. Then, if you are adding this number, you are going to have 96 plus 8x. You are going to have 96 plus 8x. Then the same thing, if you are adding this number, just leave this letter first because this is a letter, it is not a number. You skip it. Now adding this one, give you 17 plus x. Then the next thing here is, let's just recall that. We say recall that. We know mean is equal sigma fx upon sigma f. This is the mean formula. But from the question, we are given if the mean distribution is 6, automatically the mean is given as 6. We just need to apply substitution in the formula. Then we are given 6 which is equal. What is sigma f? It is 96 plus 8x. Everything becomes, what is sigma f? Sigma f is given as 17 plus x. Okay? From this point, we cross multiply. Then we continue from this point. If you are cross multiplying, this one becomes 6 into the 6 is multiplying 17 plus x is equal 96 plus 8x. Then use your calculator to multiply. We say 6 times 17. 6 times 17. This one becomes 102. If 102 plus 6x is equal 96 plus 8x. After which we collect our like terms. Then collection of like terms means this is 102. When this one is moving, you are going to have minus 96 everything becomes 8x. When this one is moving, you have to have minus 6x. Then 102 minus 96 giving you 6 is equal 8x minus 6x giving you 2x. Then, but you want to find the value of x. If you want to find the value of x, you divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2. Then the value of x automatically becomes 3. Because we know 2 can go to 6 3 times. So this is the value of x that we have to find for Roman 1. Now we want to look at Roman 2 to calculate standard deviation. Now you want to calculate standard deviation. Let's go another table. Okay? Now, or if you want, you can still use the same table for you to have your standard deviation. But like it depends the way you are going to do it. But like for everybody to understand and to make it simple, then let's do another table. I should have do standard deviation in this same table. But like let's try to draw another table for everybody to understand. Then because we are given x column and this is the equation that we are given. Let's try to keep the number that we are given first. X are given from 3 to 9. We say 3. We create a column for it. This is 3, 4, 5. And we are given 6, 7, 8, and 9. And last column, let's say this last column, let's leave it for our total. Then, if this is our table, next step after the 3 is let's write our frequency first as we are doing. Just write them the way you see them. We have 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, 5, 2. Then the x, we have it already as 3. You see this is 3 instead of x, we write 3. And 9, we have it 2 as the frequency. Then the next step, in this we don't need fx again because we don't have to find mean. We already given mean from the question. Then we just need to skip f of x, then we consider x squared. Now if you are considering x squared, meaning you just need to square these numbers. Squaring them becomes 3 squared, just like 3 times 3. Then giving you 9. 4 square giving you 16. 5 square giving you 25. 6 square giving you 36. 10 square giving you 49. 8 square giving you 64. And 9 square giving you 81. Then the last column that we have to consider here is the fx squared. This is the last column that we have to consider. Now, to have this one, what I have to do here is you multiply f and x squared. You say 1 times 9, this is 9. Then you can use your calculator to multiply for the bigger numbers for you not to have error. You say 4 times 16, giving you 64. And 3 times 25, 75. 5 times 36. 108 and 2 times 9 98, 3 times 64 192 and 2 times 81 giving you 162. Now since we add this one, let's get to add them. This is my x squared. Then if you are adding this one, you are going to have 780. Then this one becomes, this is the f becomes, adding this one becomes 20. Okay? Then the next step, we want to calculate the standard deviation of this distribution. But let's just recall that standard deviation, the formula stated that the square root of sigma f squared divided by sigma f minus sigma fx divided by sigma f. Everything becomes square. This is the formula that we are going to use to calculate our standard deviation. From this point, we substitute now. So the square root then becomes, what is in my x square? It is 780 divided by, what is in my f? And in my f is equal as 20 minus, what is in my x upon in my f? Let's just know that in my x upon in my f, it is the mean from the question that we are given. Automatic addition becomes 6 square. Then it continues for, if you are dividing 780 divided by 20, giving you 39. It continues from this square. This one becomes square root of 39 minus. No, 6 square giving you 36. Then square root of 39 minus 36 giving you 3. Then we know the square root of 3. Use your calculator. The square root of 3 giving you 1.73. This becomes 1.73. So this is standard deviation of the distribution that we have to find. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to benefit. Okay, love you more. This is the world of statistics. Remember.